Mr. President, may I now explain my vote?
You're allowed to explain your vote. You
Mr.
have 2
President,
minutes.
first of all, we cannot violate the Constitution. We put the whole impeachment trial at risk here. What Senator Tito Soto, former Senate President, what his staff did not tell him is that there is such a thing as procedural due process, and that who presides goes into due process and fairness. The Latin term that he mentioned was for enumerations. That when there are enumerations at hindi kasali doon, in this case, there was a statement that in only one case it would be the Chief Justice, because member of the Constitutional Commission who became Chief Justice, Davide, was going to amend precisely the Constitution to state the Senate President shall preside. But upon explanation by the sponsor that it is understood that it is the Senate President, then it should be the Senate President. And dun sa sinabi ni Senate President Soto that ang gusto ng tao ay mag-umpisa na, precisely, kanina pa dapat tayo nag-umpisa kung nag-preside ang Senate President. Secondly, this is when you have threshold issues, issues that go into due process fairness. If we're going to say that ang gusto ng tao i-convict na lang, then let's just blurt it out. Now, if we're going to say we want a fair trial, let's make sure that every aspect of this trial is fair. So that's why, Mr. President, if you read the rules, the presiding officer shall have the power to make an issue by himself or by the Secretary of the Senate all orders, mandates, writs, authorized by these rules of the Senate, and make and enforce such other regulations, orders, premises that the Senate may authorize or provide. Nandito din, Mr. President, that the Senate President may by himself, or bottom line, Mr. President, pwedeng mag-decide ang Senate President o sa atin. And Mr. President, there are issues that goes into fairness. You know, the AMLA will be a witness here. And I have information that the 20 years AMLA records of Senator Escudero and his credit cards and bank accounts were all opened up in the office of the Senate President, where members of the Blue Ribbon Committee was here. Then we're going to ask him to preside. So there's a problem with this. Is my explanation. This is my explanation.
To the gentleman
This is
from
factual,
Taguig.
and this is my explanation. So I will stop there.
With all due respect, your statement's already out of order. It has nothing to do with the topic on hand.
No, Mr.
And
President.
the presiding officer will strike off.
It has all to do with this.
Will strike off
It has all to do.
the
I do not,
statements
Mr. President.
pertaining to Senator
Mr.
Escudero.
President, kaibigan ko si
I
Senator
direct the
Escudero.
stenographers to
I
strike
don't
off
doubt
these
him.
statements.
He is the victim here. I'm not doubting him. I'm not doubting he will be fair. I am saying,
we will
do we want a fair
suspend
trial
the
or not,
session
Mr.
for a few
President?
minutes to request the presiding officer, Senator Chis Escudero, to ascend the rostrum. Session
Mr.
suspended.
President,